In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence and Jira together. We'll turn ideas on a Confluence page into Jira work items, embed live Jira data right inside your page, and link a Confluence page back to a Jira issue so everything stays in sync. Start by logging into your Confluence account. Choose the space you're working in and open the specific page you want to use. When you spot a sentence or paragraph that should become a task or bug, highlight that text. A small toolbar appears above your selection. Click the three dots to open more actions, then select Create Jira Work Items. Pick the correct project and the issue type that matches your need, like task or bug. Add a clear summary and a concise description. This carries over from your highlighted text, so refine it as needed. When you're ready, click Create. This instantly generates the Jira item and keeps your writing and your work tracker aligned. Next, let's use the Jira macro to bring live Jira data into the page. Type /Jira and choose either Jira charts or Jira issues. Use the search bar to find the issues or filter you want to display. If you chose charts, you can show a pie chart based on what you searched, giving your readers a quick visual breakdown. When it looks right, click Insert. Now type Jira again, choose Jira work items, select the project you want to connect, and click Insert. This adds an interactive view of issues directly in the page so teammates can see status at a glance without leaving Confluence. Finally, let's connect a Confluence page to a Jira issue from the Jira side. Log into your Jira account and open your Jira project. Navigate to the specific Jira ticket you want to link. Under the issue's name, click the plus sign button, then click Page, select Link Page. Jira will search for Confluence pages automatically. Click View Suggestions to see matches and choose the right one. When you find your page, click the check button beside it to confirm the link. This creates a two-way connection, making it easy to jump between the Jira issue and the supporting Confluence content. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check that you highlighted text in Confluence before opening the menu, and make sure you're searching the right project and filter in the Jira macro. With these steps, you'll keep context, documentation, and execution seamlessly connected. Thanks for watching.